I'm Kadence.
You're gonna bake cupcakes?
Yay! Big cupcakes!
Alright.
Okay, cupcakes.
Okay.
Okay, you open it.
You what?
You open it.
Open it.
Okay, ready? Yeah, I can open.
Yes, you can.
Okay. And okay.
Careful. Pay attention.
Okay, pay attention. Be careful. Wow. Oh, so pretty.
All done?
All done.
All right. Okay, Kadence, what is that?
Water.
Water. You're gonna pour it?
Okay.
Pour it in a bowl.
Put in a bowl.
Good job. What do you need next? Oil?
Oil.
All right. Okay, what is that?
Oil.
Oil. Okay, pour the oil in the bowl.
Okay. Put in the bag.
Pour it in.
There we go.
Is it all in there?
Yeah. 4 eggs.
How many eggs?
How many eggs? Mommy, 4 eggs.
Okay. What's that?
Egg.
Eggs? You
Yeah.
pour it in the bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, careful. Pour it in the bowl.
Put in a bowl.
All right. All done?
All done.
Oh, wee. All right. Now it's time to mix it.
Okay, mix it.
All right. Mix it. Mix it. Hold it.
This here. Oh.
Is it good? Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Okay.
Bacon cups. Up. Be careful.
There you go.
To the back. Put the back. And put the back.
One more.
Okay. Put it in the back.
Put it in the middle.
PM meal.
Uh-huh.
PM. Put the back. Put the back. Put the back. Ooh, so sprinkle. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Careful, careful.
There we go. Wow, yummy cupcakes. Wait. Oh, Mommy, it's cooking.
The cupcakes are ready?
Almost finished.
Get in there. Careful. Okay, put it on the cupcake. There you go. Good job, Pootie. Look at you. Ah, that's a mommy tink. Aw, tink. Okay.
Oh my gosh, you smashed it.
Is that icing
Yeah.
for the cupcake?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, oh
What?
my, no, oh my gosh. Oh no.
Okay, put it on another cupcake. Or you want to put the sprinkles on?
Yeah.
Sprinkles?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do sprinkles. Ah!
Okay. Sprinkles.
What are those?
Where it goes?
That's how you put the sprinkles on?
Yeah.
I know that's right. Okay, let's save the sprinkles for the other cupcakes, okay?
Okay.
Is it good? You made a cupcake! Good job, T. Girl. finished?
Mhm.
It's all gone?
Mhm.
Good job.